Number 2, bigger.
Ay, napali ako.
Ah? Hey, it's me Candy and welcome to my channel. At ngayon sa ating may kasama paghilig, di ba? Hey, it's me Candy and welcome to my channel. At kung bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to like, share, and mag-subscribe ko sa aming channel. Dahil nag-upload ako ng videos every Wednesday and Saturdays. At mag-subscribe ka rin sa aming second channel dahil doon ilalabas yung mga maraming vlogs with mama. At para sa video natin ngayong gabi, kasama ko walang iba ang hindi ko pinagsasawa ang best friend ko dito sa bahay. Yes, ang nag-iisang
my beautiful mom. Yes, is beautiful.
Oh, yan. My beautiful, may halik talaga. And thank you so much.
Siyempre, kasi bunso, kaya...
And thank you so much muna kay Krisha M. Ayan na. Dahil ang gamit ni mama ngayon ay lip tint by Krisha M Shop. Thank you so much. At para sa video natin ngayong gabi.
Pag mayroon, ano ba yun?
Ano to?
Baby, huwag ka namang magtalihan pa. Wala mo naman talaga nakain.
Huwag madidemonetize tayo. So, para sa video natin ngayong gabi, ang gagawin po natin ay ang What's in My Mouth Challenge.
Yes, sige.
Alam mo ba yun?
What's ibig sabihin? Titingnan kung anong nasa bibig mo.
Pero, pero ang challenge dito ay kailangan English kasi yun yung title. We have to speak English. Kailangan what's in my mouth and everything is in English.
Yes, I will open your mouth.
Yes, I will open my mouth.
I will say inside what is the...
You will see the cavities, the tartar, the bulok. Okay. In our... wala pa simula, pero mag-English na kami. Subukan natin. So the big mechanics is, we will give each other 5 rounds.
5 rounds?
5 rounds. So, we will have this...
Yes. Takip-takip.
Blindfold. Yeah,
blindfold.
We'll have the blindfold.
Takip-takip.
Then, Mama will put 5, not only food, anything. And I will identify what is in my mouth.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
And no cheating, no. Silip-silip.
Yes.
Okay? So, we'll have bato-bato pick to know who will be the first to have blindfolds. Bato pick.
Ay!
So, I'm the winner.
I'm the loser.
Oh, you're the loser.
Yes.
It's gonna be you first. It's gonna be you
Naunsa
first.
na ni, di bang ko makakita. Matugang ka ni na ako.
Alright.
What kind of thing?
Siyempre, this is first. And we will start very easy.
Okay,
Alright.
okay.
For the first.
I will open my mouth.
Not yet. We will give this to her. So, this one is...
I will open and...
Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Don't put a snake in my mouth.
Open your mouth. Labas your tongue.
I'm afraid. I'm scared.
Open your tongue. Tongue out. One more. One more. Your postizo will fall. Take care.
I chose maybe...
What's this?
Bullpen.
One more. It's wrong.
It's pang beauty.
What pang beauty? Like what?
Blast.
5,
Brass on.
4, 3, 2,
No.
1. Okay. That's your first. That's your first.
Clue? Oh, that's first.
Oh, that's your
Hula.
first. Okay, first.
It is
So,
true?
Later, we will reveal later. Now, number 2.
I thought it will put it on my mouth na yung is naka-steady. Not,
Okay, you want to stay steady in your mouth. Okay, we will put this steady on her mouth. Okay, open your mouth.
I can choose.
Oh, that's the mystery
Immediately.
number 1. Number 2, Why? No cheating. Number 2, bigger.
Ay, nagpaili ako.
Mapangi na yung higaan ko.
No, it's kaunti lang. Kasi, natatakot ako. I'm afraid.
Number 2,
Baby, it's mutiki.
open your mouth. Bigger.
I know. It's microphone.
So how are you feeling right now? You have 2 points already.
Don't put blade in my mouth.
Alright. Number 3.
What's that, money?
No.
Oh, what kind of...
Where is Rakumin?
No. I will die.
You will die.
It's not good for my health.
Object number 3.
It's very sharp. Something... may mga ngipin eh. Suklay?
May teeth. Suklay. Okay.
Suklay.
Suklay.
Don't put poison in my tongue.
For our object number 4, we will put... Open your mouth.
Damit?
Ay, ahit-ahit pa for this.
Naiwan yung iba. Hindi ko nawalaan.
English.
Maybe it's foam?
Foam.
Yes?
Final answer?
Yes.
Oh, final
Foam.
answer. Last, for our number 5. Open your mouth.
What's that?
One more.
Maybe it... Huh? My mouth is very big. I cannot hula.
Why?
Maybe it's Tupperware.
Tupperware. Okay. So, now let's reveal. Look at our camera. Beautiful girl! Our first object was this. Brush. Brow. For the Kilay is Life.
Yes.
Second is
I chose this
this
one.
mine.
Diba? Because naramdaman ko ito.
So, 1 point. 1 point. For the third object,
Is...
this is the third object.
Hula ko rin yan.
So, 2 points.
Yes.
2 points. For the third object, it was this. Cotton.
Si cotton.
Cotton.
Yes.
So, 2 points. And for the last round, you have this. This is...
Ditakip.
Ayan. This is this. Ayan.
Sabog.
So, this is chick sabog. This is the best
Say,
breakfast meal for any food. It's like
yes.
corn
Masarap,
chicken.
Masarap. Maanghang na... Basta masarap ang timpla.
It's kind of spicy, tasty,
Yes.
very Pinoy, good for breakfast. It's like shopping already.
Pwede palaman.
It's like shopping already. Like I'm selling. So, I'd like to thank Bonde, my friend, for giving me this chiksabog. This is very tasty. Yeah, we just included this in a video because it's so tasty. It's worth it to try. So you should
How
try
much this?
This is like 99 pesos.
Tinayin mo na.
This is chicken chicken, and it's good for
Is this chicken?
Yes, it's chicken.
This is
You can eat this with rice, or you can eat this also,
palaman.
well, yeah, like for feta bread.
Yes.
Like the wrap like shawarma.
Yes.
It's good for shawarma like. It's very tasty.
Yes. Where is the other one?
In my bag.
Why?
You want to bring it?
Yes.
Sure.
This one.
That's
Oh.
I will eat the other one. You will, because Mama will go to Samar.
Yes, I will visit my parents.
At dyan muna nagtatapos ang part 1 ng ating What's in My Mouth. Abangan po natin ang kanyang revenge.
How about?
Okay, sige. So, dyan muna. So, sa round na to, nanalo si Mama. So, sa round na to, nagkaroon si Mama ng 3 points. Kunin na natin yung third na sinagot niya ay Tupperware, because it's like a Tupperware. So, now, it's my turn. You can have your revenge.
Yes.
So, nagbabalik po tayo. Medyo nalobat lang po yung ating camera. Kaya naman, ngayon, round naman ni Mama na, English pala, no? Now,
Now, it's her turn.
Now, it's her turn to punish me with anything she will put in my mouth. Where's the blindfold?
I will put something in her mouth.
His.
In his mouth.
Panglaman ang bayong. It's your turn to put. Just let me know.
I will put something in your mouth.
Object number 1.
I will tell the clue.
Oh, sure. Just make it clean, ha? Don't kill me. Don't put ano.
Yes.
Ma, I'm scared. What's that? Ma.
Open your mouth.
What kind of open? A or B?
No, it's big mouth. and
Like A, B,
B,
C,
D.
D.
There, yes.
D?
And O, and
What?
your tongue.
What's that? What? What's that?
It's your turn to choose.
Huh? It's daliri.
No?
Wala, one
Final.
more.
Huh?
One more. Ay, hindi ko naman, ano yun? Ano yun? Pakagat. Ano yun? Uy! Ano yun? Ha? Ano yun? That's big. I know it.
Yes, what's that?
Electric candle. That's electric candle. You know, this mouth is very skillful. He knows everything. Like, no, I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. I swear, I'm not cheating.
Sige.
I'm not cheating. I know it.
Yes.
I know it. This is my room. This is my room.
Sige.
This is my room.
Open.
Object number 2. Sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. Object number 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Object na 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, let's together say object number 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Object number 2. Ano yun? What? What's that? Oh! Ano yun?
I will not tell you what's that. You choose.
What's that? Wait, I have singaw. What's that? Daliri. Daliri. Uy! That is postizo. Kadiri. I tasted your gingivitis. That's pustiso. Number 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Object number 1, 2, 3, go. Object 1, 2, 3, go. Object number 3.
I will.
I am covering this, ha. I'm covering this. Ayan.
Yes.
I'm not cheating. I'm not Cara Carinosa. I'm not DJ Cara. I don't cheat. Huh? What? Not in my lips? Because my lips can't, Huh?
Open.
Battle. That's battle. That's battle.
Final answer?
Yes, battle.
And then?
Object number 4. 1, 2, 3, go.
4.
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Object 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
go. Object number 4. Ha? Ano yun? Nakalabit lang yung dila ko.
You labas your...
Ano? Wait lang. Pagkano naman sa dila ko? Makeup? Foundation? It's something makeup.
Huh?
Something makeup.
Final answer.
Final answer.
Yes.
Okay. Object number 5. 1, 2, 3, go. Object number 5. Yes. We did it. Paper? Huh? Uy. Baka mahalaga yan, ha? Dinilaan ko na. That's picture?
Final answer?
Picture. Ay, yes, paper. That's paper. Paper, okay.
Open!
So bright. Where are you? So, first, what's...
Medicine.
First was the candle. It's a candle.
Yes, this one.
I told you because I felt this
And the second is this one.
Yes, because of the battle.
The third
Pustiso. Why?
Kasi hindi ko pa mang ginagawa. Nasa isip ko pala pero natatawa ko ng gusto. And the third, this one.
So I have 3 points. 4 points.
Yes.
4 points.
Yes.
So I'm the winner. Toka. Fix your seat. So, there. Tapos na natin. Our What's in My Mouth challenge is already done. So, dyan nagtapos ang ating What's in My Mouth challenge kasama ang ating beautiful mom. Kaya naman kung nag-enjoy po kayo, don't forget to like, share, at mag-subscribe sa aming channel dahil lagi kami nag-upload. Abangan nyo yan gabi-gabi para sa prime time bida. Charot. And kung meron po kayo Instagram at Twitter, follow nyo na kami sa Francis Candeye and sa @YourBeautifulMom. Like nyo na rin po kami sa Facebook @Francis Candeye. Yan. At para sa ating pangmalakasang shoutout, courtesy by Mama, our shoutout goes to
Nasser Udin.
Yes, shoutout to Kuya Nasser Udin all the way to Saudi Arabia with love.
Yes.
And
Thank
there
you,
you have
Mr.
it.
Nasser Udin.
Thank you so
very
much. And this is me Candeye saying, take care, Mama, to your trip to Samar. I will
Yes.
miss you a lot.
Thank you.
And then we'll see you again next week. We'll see you again next week. And this is me saying, when you smile, don't say
I'll be
cheese.
back soon.
Say big
Big
cheese.
cheese.
See you tomorrow, big cheese. Finally, we can sleep now together.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.